Hi traders, this is Mikael Furuche from beststrategiesfortrading.com. Today I'm preparing the chart for the 20th of November 2013. I'm preparing the European markets. First, like always, I'm giving you information about how I operate. I'm a swing trader. I use Contrarian setups. The method that I use is coming from price action levels like pivots, peaks, troughs, trend lines, moving average. Third limitation is that I'm only looking at stocks that have a daily average turnover with more than $10 million or equivalent in euros or pound sterling. I have developed my own scanning algorithms in the Metastock platform. And if you want to know more about the philosophy and the psychology, how technical analysis with price action levels is working, please watch my tutorial video on YouTube regarding to money management. At the moment I use a position size of 10%. My target is 2.6%. I use a trading target, reset it end of day. I get a trading stop, reset end of day with minus 1.3%. I always give some quick example of how price action levels are working. This is the SPY, this is the tracking ETF of the S&P 500. You can see the high peak from the year 2000, how that level make a solid resistance when the price come up to that level. Again, it's not always like this, but it's probably worth of trading that kind of setup. You can also use the 200 moving average. I consider the 200 moving average as the most popular moving average. It can both be support, like in these cases, or resistance on the way down, like in these cases. You can also use trend lines by connecting several peaks or troughs to make up a support or resistance line. The thing that I really like about price action levels, it's because it's not depending on a specific chart setup. It could be daily, weekly, or even monthly data on the chart, but the level will still be the same. That's not the case if you look at indicator. For example, here the 200 monthly moving average is not the same level as the 200 daily moving average. Okay, enough of that. I've only got two European stocks. First of all is ABB, ASEA Brown Boveri. It's a Swedish Switzerland company. This one is from the Stockholm Stock Exchange. I use this high peak from 2011 with 170 krona and 40 öre. That's the short sell level I will put in for a limit order. Like always, I'm checking if that particular stock has any earnings coming up, because you don't want to take a trade. You don't want to be in a trade if an earnings announcement is coming, because if you're using price action levels, you're not taking into account what's happening with an earning, and most probably the stock will start to move in one direction, and you don't want to be in a gap if it gaps 5-10% not in your favor, not in your direction. Don't take that risk. At least I don't do it. Okay, next chart that I put in a short sell limit order for is Red Elsevier from the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. You have several peaks here, and I use the highest of them, and it's from here 2000, and you have a print of 16 and 19. 16 euro and 19 cent. That's the level I put in, and also look for any new earnings coming up for that stock. Okay, that was actually the only two I got for European markets, but remember this is only setups that I use by myself for my personal trading blog. This is not in any kind of advice for anyone. And if you do any kind of trades, remember it could be dangerous, it could be risky, you can lose capital. And if you do a trade, please do not put more money on the line that you can afford to lose. That's me for today, and before I say goodbye, I'm gonna just show you the level again. The Dutch company Elwise 16 and 19 cent, and ABB 170 and 40 öre. That's my short sell limit orders. Okay, that's what's me for today. Thank you for your attention and happy trading.